Welcome to paradise. Your health and healing journey begins as soon as you arrive at the beautiful Ixtapa Zihuatanejo International Airport. From here, it's a short drive through the palm trees and luscious mountains that bring you to the doorstep of DOD5STAR Wellness Casa. With the very first step into the DOD5STAR Treatment Center, you're greeted with a blend of modern elegance and serene ambiance that tells you you're home. Every detail is meticulously designed for your comfort and greatest healing experience. Follow us as we explore our advanced energy treatment rooms where nature and science come together as one powerful healing force. Here at the DOD5STAR, our master practitioners deliver treatments endorsed by the prestigious Doctor Detox Standard and the BHN University Guidelines promoting the philosophy of whole body health and cellular rejuvenation. Beyond our life-changing treatments and training, guests unwind within our luxurious amenities designed to enhance their personal experience. As your day draws to a close, reflect on your personal journey of wellness at the DOD5STAR Treatment Center in Ixtapa, Zihuatanejo. Experience the true pinnacle of luxury and healing, where every moment is crafted to rejuvenate the mind, the body, and the spirit. Welcome to DOD5STAR Ixtapa, Zihuatanejo. I'm Dr. Darrell Wolfe, your host.